Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into real-world fixes for your everyday gadgets. Today, we're zeroing in on a super common issue: your Verizon Internet Box blinking white in 2025. If you're staring at that flashing light and wondering what's going on, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can get back online quickly and hassle-free. First things first, what does that blinking white light actually mean? In 2025, Verizon's Internet Box uses this light to signal that the device is attempting to connect to the network or might be dealing with a temporary error. It could be caused by something simple like a power surge, a loose cable, or even a broader internet outage in your area. Don't panic. Most of the time, this is an easy fix. Let's jump into troubleshooting. Start with the basics. Double-check all your connections. Ensure the power cord is firmly plugged into both the wall outlet and the back of the box. Also, verify that any Ethernet or coaxial cables are securely attached. A wiggle or loose wire is often the hidden villain here. If that doesn't do the trick, try a good old restart. Unplug the power cord from the box, wait about 30 seconds to let it fully power down, and then plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to reboot and see if the light stops blinking. Still no luck? Consider a factory reset, but use this as a last resort since it wipes any custom settings. Locate the reset button on the back of the device, usually a small hole, and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds using a paperclip or a pin. Your box should restart and attempt to reconnect. Another smart move is to check Verizon's website or app for any reported outages in your region. Log in to your account and look for service status updates. Sometimes, it's not your equipment at all. If you've tried all this and the problem persists, it's time to reach out to Verizon support. They have dedicated teams ready to help, and they might even send a technician if needed. Remember, tech issues like this are common, and you're not alone in dealing with them. There you have it, quick and effective ways to tackle that blinking white light on your Verizon Internet Box. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.